Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy December. Can you guys believe that 2020 is almost out of our hair? Woohoo! So with it being December, my favorite time of the year, I thought I would make some holiday content for you guys, especially since I didn't make any Halloween videos. Sorry about that. So in this video, I thought we would make a Merry Christmas, or actually it's a Merry Xmas, X-M-A-S, table topper decoration. Every year after Christmas dinner, I set up a treat table for my family, and I thought this decoration would give the table a little bit more sparkle. So this is the mold that we'll be using. It's by Resin, and I bought it off of Amazon. So as you can see, it's Xmas, and here along the X, there's the word Merry engraved into the mold. I'm really excited to try this. I will be leaving the link to the mold in the description box in case you guys are interested in picking one up. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this table topper decoration turns out, then keep on watching this video. So the first thing I did was I mixed up some red and white resin for the Christmas hat so it would stand out from the piece. Once the resin in the hat became tacky, 3 hours later, I poured a clear layer of resin with a little bit of holographic glitter. For this pour, I used liquid diamond resin because it's super thin, almost like water, and it helps prevent air bubbles around the engraved areas of the mold. Then when that resin got tacky, I mixed up some Art & Glow resin, one of my favorite resins, with some really cute Christmas glitter and poured it halfway up the mold. For this layer, I let it completely cure so it would make the next step a lot easier. To make this even more Christmassy, I decided to add some lights. Now, this part was a bit tricky, but thanks to my friend Aisha, a tip I learned to keep the lights in place was to use some UV resin and use it as a glue, and glue small sections as you are working with the strand of lights. After I was happy with how the lights were placed, I mixed up more resin, this time just white, to fill the rest of the mold to hide the light strand. Now, if you're wondering how much resin this mold needs, I wasn't completely keeping track of it, but my estimate is around 8 ounces of resin, give or take. It's quite a bit of resin, but in my opinion, it was worth it. I just love the end result. So once the piece was cured, I demolded it and then used a white acrylic marker to fill in the details. I then noticed that the white part of the Christmas hat wasn't as opaque as I hoped, so I ended up quickly mixing some white UV resin and fixing it. Then all that was left to do was dome the front to give it extra shine. I absolutely love how this piece turned out. Be sure to keep an eye out on my community tab. I will be posting a photo there what it looks like on this year's Christmas treat table. If you enjoyed my video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future resin crafting videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy holidays! Bye!